Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing my January 2023 Boxycharm unboxing. This is the first one of 2023, so fingers crossed that it's a good one. So today we're unboxing. We are gonna see what's in here. We're gonna talk about the products. We'll see if they're good or not, depending on if we can try them or not. So yeah, lots of fun stuff today. Before we get into it, please give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's start the year on a good note. Subscribe, join the family, really means a lot. So thank you so much. But if you want to see me unbox the January Boxycharm base box, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, like I said, it is the first one of the year. This is a pretty big deal. This is how we're gonna start off 2023 Boxycharm unboxings, so this better be a good one. We can just get right into it though. I'm sure you guys know the drill already. If you are new and you don't know, I always keep these a surprise. I never know what's gonna be in the boxes because I like to surprise myself every month with a little gift. So yeah, this is just as much of a surprise to me as it is to you, so we're doing this together. So I have the base box. I already took the tab off because I had an accident one time and my camera got knocked over because I was trying to rip this open on camera and it was just not fun. So I always open the tab off camera, but I swear I did not peek at what's inside. So just opening this up, we have the Instagram handle and the hashtag and hello charmer as usual. Oh, and then we have our logo on the top. And then let's see. The card says Boxycharm, so fresh and so clean. I'm assuming that this is gonna be skincare. I don't know though, or primarily skincare, I guess. Love it though. So we're just gonna go in order from what the card says and we're gonna see what we got. So first product is from Wander Beauty. It's the Sweet Escape palette. Send yourself on a sweet escape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmering neutral and bold shades that take you effortlessly from day to play wherever you wander. $42, so that is eyeshadow, I'm assuming. So far not skincare from the first product. But Wander Beauty, I have actually really liked everything that I've tried from Wander Beauty, so I'm hoping that this is good. So here it is outside of the box. This packaging is super simple and cute. It doesn't feel high quality. Like, if I'm being honest, just packaging wise, if that's important to you, like, I really appreciate good packaging. This just feels kind of like not good quality. It's just like a cardboard thing. I feel like I've gotten other eyeshadow palettes for a similar price where the packaging has been a lot better. So I do want to start off saying that. And it's the Sweet Escape palette. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shades. I don't know how I feel about this color palette. It's very purpley. I do really like this shimmer in the middle. This is like my kind of a shimmer. Well, I guess both of these in the middle. And then I like this brown shade, but I'm not a big purple eyeshadow person. I feel like purple kind of washes me out a little bit. We'll see though. I'm gonna swatch really quick and I'll be right back and then we'll talk what I think. Okay, so I just swatched all of these. They're pigmented, I will say that, and they were all really creamy feeling when I was dipping my fingers in to swatch. So very pigmented, they feel really good. So good quality eyeshadows. I just feel like the colors are a little bit like, I don't want to say dull because I feel like they would look really pretty, but I feel like these are more for like cool tone eyeshadow lovers, not so much like a warm tone person like me. I love, you guys already know, my warm tone eyeshadows, so these are just not doing so much for me. I do love that middle shade, like I said. This ended up being like, it's like a mix of like a champagne-y color and a purple. So that was really weird when I was swatching it, but in a good way. So I'm just gonna take that one. It's called On Holiday right here. And I'm just gonna do that in my lids so we can see what it looks like actually on. It's really, really pretty. So I feel like this one I see myself using, but honestly the rest of the shades I don't really see myself grabbing for, if I'm being totally honest. Like I feel like I've gotten so many different Boxycharm eyeshadow palettes, and I feel like it does kind of happen like that sometimes, where I get like this kind of a color palette and I never grab for it. So I do see myself using that shade, but the rest of these, not so much. So we'll see. I'm interested, but I don't really see myself like gravitating towards this, if that makes sense. So anyways, next up we have Earth Harbor Naturals. It's the Nebula Adaptogen Clarity Ampoule. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. The answer to finding peaceful energy and the light within your skin. Both a potent clarifying treatment and a gentle glow enhancing elixir. This ampoule is a feather light flash absorbing formula specifically designed to help distressed skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. $46. So let's see. All right, Earth Harbor Nebula. Oh, I've actually gotten a couple, 1 or 2 products from this brand, and I liked them. So let's see. Yeah, the packaging is pretty much exactly the same too. This is very, very interesting to me, actually. My skin has not been agreeing with me these last couple of months, as you guys know. So I'm hoping that this does something good for me. I'm gonna use this tonight, actually. I just wanna like feel what it feels like on the back of my hand. Here we go. Yeah, it just feels like an oil. So it's supposed to be good for acne and blemishes, and then it says it's supposed to give you like a little glow too. And then it says sea lavender and ginseng, 1 fluid ounce. This is actually very, very interesting to me, so I really want to see what this does. It's definitely giving the back of my hand a serious glow. So I will try this out tonight and I will keep you guys posted on what it does. This is very exciting to me though. Next up, we have the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. It says this best-selling mascara is like a push-up bra for your lashes. It volumizes, lengthens, and curls lashes for an instant eye lift while delivering 24-hour flake-free and smudge-proof wear. Plus, the vitamin-rich formula conditions with each coat, all while creating darker, more defined lashes. $24. So if this, oh, come on. Okay. Hold on a second. Lights, Camera, Lashes. I have Lights, Camera, Splashes. I have the waterproof version of this. I have 2 of them actually for some reason, and I really don't like it. So if this is anything like that one, I know I'm not gonna like it, but let's see. I obviously can't give you guys like a real opinion just like this. It doesn't seem like it's doing anything bad. Like it's not clumping them up, but it's not really doing anything crazy for them either. I don't know. I gotta play with this one when I don't already have a mascara on. That was my bad. But let me see like what the brushes look exactly the same for the waterproof and this one. I'm gonna have to keep you guys posted. I will be playing with this a little bit more, but I'm gonna tell you right now, the waterproof version I did not like, so we'll see about this one. If it's any different, I will let you guys know. But it didn't do anything bad for my lashes, just putting it on like a second coat on top of my other mascara. So if you want to layer it, I like what it's doing. I just don't know yet on its own, so I will keep you guys posted. But just so you're aware, I don't like the waterproof version. So anyways, next up we have True and Luscious. That's a new brand for me. It says Angel Eyes Primer, a hydrating eye primer that locks in your eyeshadow and concealer for crease-proof, no smudge wear for up to 16 hours. That's amazing. A tinted formula that corrects redness and creates an even canvas that intensifies the vibrancy of powder and cream eyeshadows. Infused with soothing damascene. I'm so sorry if I'm definitely mispronouncing that. Damascene rose extract, as well as bentonite clay to naturally balance oil and form a protective barrier under makeup. Goes for $22. So here it is. Let's open this up. very simple purple packaging. This is like my mom's favorite color, so this reminded me of her. Maybe I could give this one to her because I have a lot of eye primers, but let's see what this does. It's just like a nude color. It's thick and it feels like a little bit tacky, so I do really like that. It has coverage to it too. I have like very dry like backs of my hands, so where they're really cracked, it's settling into the cracks a little bit, but everywhere else where my skin is like a little bit softer, it looks really nice. It dries pretty quickly. It still has that like tackiness to it though. I feel like this could be really good actually. I've got to see. I'll put it on under some makeup and I'll keep you guys posted on all of these and just let you know how they're all going for me, because I do genuinely want to play around with all of these. But so far I really like this. I might have to share with my mom because I want to see what this does for me too. Anyways, and then last but not least, we have Shaina B Miami, which is also a new brand. And it says it's a new brand to Boxycharm. It's the cream blush. It says this ultra velvety cream blush gives you a natural looking flush. Its long lasting formula applies easily and blends quickly for a seamless finish. Goes for $18. So here it is in the packaging. Let's take this out. I'm gonna be totally honest right off the bat. I don't love the packaging. I feel like it's very like Barbie like play makeup looking. I don't know. I'm not too obsessed with how it looks just looking at it like this. But here it is inside. So it is like a pinky peachy kind of color. I'm just dipping my finger in here. It's more pink than it is peach. It's pigmented. Ooh, I like this. It actually feels really good. And it's super easy to blend too. For being a pink, I really like this color. It has a slight peachiness to it. That's probably why I like it. But this is really nice and easy to blend. Like, it's very pigmented, but I feel like even if you put a lot of this on, you can blend it out and it gives you a really nice flush of color. Like, it doesn't stay too crazy pigmented, which I personally don't love like super intense blushes. I like a more subtle flush to my skin, and I feel like this is doing exactly that. Like, it's really pretty and it dries very quickly too. Like, it gave me enough time to blend it out on my hand, but now it's dry and I feel like that didn't take too much time. So that's very nice. I really like this color. Don't judge a book by its cover because the product is actually really pretty and it works really well. So I'm actually very excited about this one. So that is it. That's all 5 products. I am very excited. I feel like the only one, or no, there were 2 that I'm a little bit like, I don't know about are the eyeshadow palette and the mascara. Obviously both are gonna be something that I continue to experiment with because I want to give them a chance, but I'm just saying from past experience for the mascara, and then we'll see about the eyeshadow. But other than that, I'm really happy with the box. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know your thoughts. If we got the same box or if we got totally different things, let me know. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.